Potatoes are one of the most delicious foods out there, and there are tons of ways to enjoy them. Today, I'm visiting Conifer Foods to see how they use Washington potatoes in their soup mixes.
Conifer Foods is kind of a specialty consumer packaged good company.
Mike Mayer is the president of Conifer Foods and Canterbury Naturals. Although they're famous for their Fisher scone, they make many other products as well.
We do baking mixes, dried soup mixes, dried salad mixes, hot beverages, spices.
That's really our brand promise, is high quality foods that are easy to prepare.
Harry Forsberg is the Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Conifer. He takes his job very seriously.
We have a real privilege to feed people good, clean, natural food at a good value. We take that, as a great privilege, but also a serious responsibility.
As part of that responsibility, Canterbury has committed themselves to using local produce whenever possible.
It's very important for us to have good, high quality ingredients that are local whenever we can.
It gives us access to see where our products are grown, where they're coming from.
There's quality, better quality perception, and also sustainability.
To understand some of the processes behind the products as they come from farm to table.
That is really important to us, to be able to try and partner with farmers wherever we can to use local ingredients.
Now I'm taking a tour of Canterbury's product line with Director of Operations, Nick Saharsky. What are we going to see?
So we're running chicken chili. It's under our Canterbury Naturals blend.
It sounds like it's good. Take me to your line.
The product will come down through the hopper. It'll come in through that forming tube. And then sometimes we'll inject nitrogen to remove oxygen. It's actually one of our quality measures to help control the shelf life of the product. And what that does is it removes the oxygen content from the pouch right before we seal it. Oxygen is kind of oxidizes the product and adds to rancidity factors. And so the introduction of nitrogen helps keep the product healthy and shelf-stable. So each individual pouch here contains a ½ an ounce of crushed whole pecans. And these guys, we do about 15,000 units a day.
Hot diggity dog.
And then the next step is, of course, these bean blends that come from Columbia Bean and Produce right out of Moses Lake.
Alongside local beans, they use Washington potatoes and other local produce in their products as well.
Well, it's important because we kind of help the community, we help the state. We try to bring in as much stuff that's locally sourced as we can so that we're injecting more into the economy, we're helping the farmers, trying to maintain that local Northwest presence.
After all that, I'm ready to try some delicious Canterbury soup for myself. Today we're trying some potato corn chowder.
Well, this looks really great.
Those chunks are beautiful Washington State grown potatoes.
Potatoes,
Yeah.
wow.
They are non-GMO, as is the soup. It's one of my favorites.
It's delicious.
Oh, thank
it's
you.
delicious. Thank you so much.
Oh, absolutely. Look for them in the stores and enjoy for the whole family.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.